Well, good morning. It is, what time is it? A little after 6. I've been up for an hour, and you can see the view out of my window here. I'm at Nolin Lake State Park in Kentucky. I know I should just tell you, I'm in search of freedom. Folks, I've wanted to do this for decades. Got that little coach up there, and I just enjoy getting out for a couple of days here and there. The air here is incredible, and the location is amazing. But this is the way these state campgrounds work. They're packed. You know, people don't want to fly anymore, go to these big resorts because of the masks, which I've got one somewhere. But a state park, at least here in Kentucky and Tennessee, you can get out and you can breathe and you can walk. But I didn't have reservations. Got up here and realized I didn't bring a hairbrush. So when you get to the state parks, if you don't have reservations, you drive through and you look at these posts, and if there's no name on it, you can stay there. Now, I might get booted out tonight. So if you see a name on the posts, you can't stay there. But I picked one. You know, I drove in last night, Thursday night. A lot of areas there's no names on the posts, but the rangers will be through pretty soon to put the names of those who have reserved those spots. Oh, I hope I don't have to move. But if I do, I have some other ideas. Kentucky's a big state. So you want to go camping? State parks offer a lot. I've got water, I have electricity, I've got a dump station whenever I leave. Makes it easy. And it's only usually $20 to $30 a night, sometimes even less. I don't know what this one is until the park opens. I got here at 7 o'clock last night. But for fresh air and walking, looking for freedom.
How happy she is. Have you ever seen him dive?
I was enticed by a sign that pointed to a waterfall. However, it's a very strange sign that said waterfall and had two arrows. Right under the word waterfall, there was an arrow that pointed to the right. Underneath, I was at a fork in the trail. There's a sign that says waterfall, and then there's a arrow pointing to the right. Right below that was an arrow pointing to the left. So I've been hiking for quite a while, and wait till you see this waterfall. If you're at Nolin Lake State Park and you see a sign that says waterfall, you got to see this. It's unlike anything I've ever seen before. Perhaps you've seen a waterfall similar to it. I don't know. Magnificent, huh? Yep. An hour's walk up into, going up the hill to view this magnificent waterfall. You gotta see it. And that was some poison ivy. Happy trails. It's really pretty, but do the hike for the hike, not the waterfall. So if you like this video, why don't you subscribe, share, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment. I'd love to catch an email from you. Pray for our nation, pray for one another, love one another. There goes the rabbit. Stay free, and make sure you tell your mama I said hey.